What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here, back with another mall unboxing and review. This time, it's of the VivaAerobus, should I say, A320 by Phoenix Models. I picked this up because this this aircraft does fly to LA. Hopefully in the future we'll be flying there. And it's also my first VivaAerobus. So the box is amazing. It's by Phoenix Models, as I say. So, you know, starting off, we have a picture of the plane, registration VAR, so Victor Alpha Romeo, Platinum Series, etc. You know, addition, all the fun stuff. Now it's funny, they show the sharklet version on the front, and then the normal winglets or wingtips on the back, with a different registration, VAZ, because they have both, but I did get this one, the winglet, says it's a more suitable plane for the route. Anyways, box is really nice. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I ordered this one off of Panda Fox Models, so I'll leave a link in the description to the website. Very nice model. As you can see, it's pretty detailed already, so let's go ahead and get this. Out of the box. There we go. Very nice model. Wow. Okay. So there we have it. There we go. Alright, so zooming in, you can see so starting at the front, you have the nose, the cockpit, windows, which are really highly detailed. This is Phoenix Model, so it's pretty good. We have the antennas, we have VivaAerobus there, and then going down, sharklets, it's just red, the engine's just red as well. There's some detail underneath. Overwing exit details are very nice. Windows are nice, everything looks pretty good. And then you have obviously the antennas on the top near the back, and you have the registration. Say XA. Oh, I just noticed that. So on the box they put VA, but the registration is supposed to be XA. So Phoenix just made a bit of an error there. Thank goodness on the plane it says XA. I don't know why I didn't pick that up earlier, but so it's X-ray Alpha VAR. And you have the Mexican flag, and then going to the tail is just very simple tail design, but very nice. I like the colors. Going, you know, just turn it around. Yeah, the registration on the wing there, as you can see on this side. And you can see the cargo door. I believe this one has a little baggage door as well. Yup, it does, as you can see. So, same thing on this side. Registration on the wing, engine's very nice. And the front cargo door, passenger door. So yeah, it's very nice model. I don't know if I've seen a review of this on YouTube. I kind of looked, but I didn't find one. Either way, it's a very nice model, so I do recommend it if you can find it. You know, underneath is pretty straightforward. As you can see, it's got Phoenix on it and whatnot. But yeah, guys, so that's the model, that's the review. Not much else to say on it other than it looks fantastic. I like the livery, and I do recommend it. As I say, it's from Panda Fox Models. They probably still have this. When I got it, it was still in stock, and I got this a couple months ago. So I'm sure, you know, I don't know, it may or may not be, but either way, if you can find one, let's say you have a Mexican mall airport or somewhere in the US that is served by this airline, I do recommend picking this model up. It's really nice. Phoenix Models did a great job, but just beware that the box does have the wrong registration on it, and in fact the plane is XA, not VA. But yeah, guys, anyways, hope you did enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed that video. And stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe, and take care for now, guys. Bye-bye.